Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be installing a center notch on my MK8 GTI steering wheel. I'm going to be using vinyl to install that center ring on my steering wheel. The size here is 12 millimeters. So without further ado, I'll get in the car and install it. So back in the car now, I've got the vinyl here. It's a nice red color. Okay, it's about 12 millimeters thick. See up here in the top corner, 12 millimeters. Okay, it says car decoration sticker. I believe I purchased this off AliExpress.com. It's basically like a pinstripe type of kit, but I'm using it on my steering wheel here to make a center notch ring on it. So I'll go ahead now and begin installing it. I've now opened it up, and here it is from behind. I'll go ahead now and take it out of the packaging. There we go. I'll put the packaging now off to the side, and here it is. A nice 12 millimeter thick red vinyl roll, and its main purpose is to create a pinstripe on your car. I just took off this Scotch tape, peeled it off a little bit. If you take it off all the way, it'll open up the actual pinstripe itself, and then you're now able to, start cutting from here downwards in order to make your center ring on your steering wheel. So I'll go ahead now and get some scissors, measure it on here, and then cut it up. Now I've got my scissors here handy. I will go ahead and cut a lengthy piece off of this in order to wrap it around here, measure it properly, and then I'll recut it on the new measurement, and then we'll go ahead and actually stick it on. So I did it. I managed to cut it up. Here's the piece I cut up now. As you can see, the backing is still stuck on. I haven't taken it off yet. Next step is to take it off and stick it on. But I did measure it so far. It's pretty close. The measurement, you can see, it's about there. So it's not too bad. It's pretty spot on. So I'll go ahead now and install it. And just like that, I installed it. It looks absolutely wonderful. There it is. Now, it's not the best center ring. The best one is to obviously get the one that you can get done during this manufacturing process. But this is just a original Volkswagen steering wheel, not a modified one. It's basically one from the factory. So they didn't really have any center rings on Volkswagen factory steering wheels. So I had to get one somewhere else. And this is how I got it. Absolutely wonderful. We'll see how it does, and we'll see how it holds up. So this then effectively ends the video. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.